Hello everyone, welcome back to Nat2'sday, Nat2'sday. This is another Nat2'sday. I am so glad to be back. You're probably wondering about my hair. I actually have it up. I have a little band and just got it up because I just felt like I needed to style my hair. My curls are very defined. You know, I was kind of getting tired of wearing it in the treads, and I was getting a little tired of wearing it. I just have plain styles, so I'm like, you know what, it's time to start trying to style it to see how well my curls hold up in a week's time. Of course, I'm not going to be manipulating it at all, because once I wash it, twist it, then I'm just gonna, you know, try to style it and keep it like that for a week. So I wanted to show you guys real quick my curls, and I'm going to tell you what I used. I'm going to tell you guys exactly what I used, and also my edges. I just want y'all to take a look at my edges. I'm going to tell you guys exactly what I use. It's flaxseed gel, and you know, I thought about buying some store-bought gel like As I Am. I know they have a really good one. Cantu has a good one, but for some reason it was just meant that I didn't get it, because when I went to the store, I couldn't find the As I Am styling gel. So lo and behold, I saw flax seeds, whole flax seeds. So I'm like, well, you know, I might as well make it homemade. So that's what I did. I made it homemade, and to my amazement, it basically did really good for my hair. This video, I feel like the video doesn't really do my hair any justice, because my hair is like, the curls are popping. They are really popping. Let me just turn around and let y'all just see the back. I have it up, and you know, like I say, I'm trying to do more style in my hair, and I did my treads for a little minute just to kind of retain a little length, you know, to keep some of the healthy hairs from being pulled out, whatnot. So I did my treads for about 2 months. The first video that I did for you guys, I had already started my treads. So I recommend, if you're going to do the African treading, dreadlock style, you know, do it for a month or two, no longer than 8 weeks, and then reset your hair. I mean, I had to do a vinegar rinse on my scalp, wash it really good, and I'm really happy with my results from the African treading. I'm actually going to be going back to it probably in another 2 weeks or so, maybe in a week, who knows, we'll see. But I am going to go back to it. But for now, I just want to stay, you know, with my hair, just styling it up a little bit. Just change it up a little bit for y'all, you know. Just change it on up. Anyhow, getting back to the gel, I used the gel on my edges. And as you can see, I have a nice little edge laying down of hair on my edges. And this is all from the flax seed gel. And I actually use the gel for when I wash my hair, and I use my oil, my butter, you know, my mango butter. I use that now, and I'll get back into another video of mango butter versus shea butter, because there are some differences with those two, but that's another video. Anyhow, so after I used the oil, the butters, I went on and used the flax gel. And like I say, it came out really nice. I cannot complain. I love the results of it. And it is steadily getting longer. It's the last time I measured it, it was at 15 inches. So maybe in the next month, I think I'm just going to try to measure it once a month, because I really want to pinpoint my rate of growth. I want to see how fast my hair is growing, because your rate of growth can be anywhere from a ½ inch all the way to an inch. maybe 1.5 inches depending on your genetics. So I really want to pinpoint how fast is my hair growing. Now mind you, I did clip my ends just maybe 1/8 of an inch, not a lot. I just kind of like snipped at it. You know, I didn't do much because it was in need. I just try to do it because I'm old-fashioned. My grandmother used to always clip our ends. She did it on full moon, but I don't know nothing about all that. But anyhow, just nipping at my ends just to keep my ends healthy. And that's about it. That's about it. You guys leave me a comment whether or not you like my little style here. Just let me know in the comment section about, you know, my new little hairdo, and you know, just tell me what you think. Announcements. I would like for you guys to check out my blog. I'll leave a description. I'll leave the link in the description excuse me. I'll leave the link in the description box. My blogs, that if you're interested. Also, go to my Instagram. This is for linkcheckhair.com. I have an Instagram channel and also Pinterest. So I'll leave those links below for more information. Loads of information for you guys. Few checklists, lots of things on Pinterest, and just a few things on my Instagram channel. And if you're interested, just follow me, not only on the YouTube channel. For those of you who are not subscribed, you know, subscribe, hit the notification bell, but also check out the Pinterest and the Instagram channel. So this is just a short little video, and with that being said, I just want to say much love to you guys, and leave me a little comment. What do you think about my little hairdo? I got some upcoming events, so I'm really trying to get prepared and styling my hair because I'm going to be doing some meetings and preparing to do some public speaking and whatnot, a few engagements. So I have to get myself ready, you know. So if you guys have any ideas or suggestions, just let me know in the comment section. All right, so this is the end of the video, and as always, much love to you guys and many blessings, and thank you for joining me this Nat Tuesday. Until next week or the week after, actually every 2 weeks now I'm doing Nat Tuesday. So I'll see you guys then. Take care and God bless. Mwah.